A thriving pond starts with balance. When organics like fish waste, leaves, and sludge build up, water can quickly become cloudy and unhealthy. Aquascape beneficial bacteria is safe for fish, pets, and wildlife, and restores clarity and balance naturally, while helping you significantly reduce ongoing pond maintenance. This specialized, fast-acting formula blends 8 pure strains of beneficial bacteria, including photosynthetic bacteria and powerful enzymes to break down organic debris, reduce harmful ammonia and nitrites, keep filters clean, and promote a healthy, crystal-clear pond ecosystem. Marigold extract and vitamin B are added to support fish health and enhance their natural colors. Because the dosing is flexible, it's easy to apply the right amount for any pond size, large or small. The convenient pump-top bottle makes measuring quick and accurate, so there's no mess or guesswork. For best results, add once a week to an area with good circulation. Aquascape beneficial bacteria performs best in water temperatures above 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius. This powerful 1.5 billion CFU per ounce formula makes it cost-effective, long-lasting, and ideal for seasonal treatments or ongoing care. Keep your pond beautiful, balanced, and your fish thriving all season long with Aquascape beneficial bacteria. The smart way to enjoy a cleaner, healthier pond naturally. At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We've been creating and field testing water features since 1991 to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.